induction and turnover ceremonies. Maraming salamat po. Standing before you as the 51st JCI Batangas Caballero President gives me immense pride and gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility, knowing that I'd be following in the footsteps of incredible past presidents who have shaped our organization's legacy, and that I'd be leading a very strong team. I am reminded of the journey that has brought us to this moment. How I started my JCI story is different. I was not a legacy member. I was not recruited, and I did not apply. I was just an accidental member. I didn't know anyone from the set of officers of JCI back then, nor was I familiar what JCI is. My cousin Shannon was the one invited to attend an opportunity to impact last 2018 during President Councilor Zester's term, and she brought me with her. That time, I was up for anything. I was a fresh grad from DLSU Manila, and I was still adjusting back to province life. I only had a few people to hang out with in Batangas because I graduated earlier than my high school batchmates due to our trimester school system, and both of my siblings are Manila-based. My cousin became my buddy as her office is just beside F. by Lossie's restaurant, which is where I worked. Little did I know, attending that night is a start of a life-changing journey. As I attended various projects during my baby year, like job hiring, self-defense classes, business seminars, training, and outreach programs, I felt lucky because I can't believe there's an avenue where people get to experience these things for free. Well, except for the membership dues. As I attend the meetings, I hear how encouraging our president was and how process-focused this group is, not results-oriented. As a baby, it was encouraging to join as this group focuses on learning and not dwelling on mistakes. From someone who didn't have any idea what JCI is, you might wonder, why did I stay? Or how did they make me stay? It's because of President Conzi and the rest of the Caballeros. Because of the frequent hangouts, I felt that JCI was slowly becoming my circle. As one of the youngest members back then, they often gave me advice, both in life and in business. In JCI, I found young businessmen who have the same routine, rewards, and struggles as me. In JCI, I found my peers. In JCI, I found another support system. And because of the Caballeros, I felt at home back again in Batangas. A year after my baby year, President Leia appointed me as her director for business. She entrusted me with one of JCI Batangas Caballeros projects, flagship projects, its closet raids for the benefit of cancer patients, marking the start of my leadership journey in JCI. The experience not only boosted my confidence, but also touched my heart deeply, knowing that every contribution was a result of pure hard work. Serving as an officer deepened my commitment to the organization, leading to successive yearly elections and ultimately culminating in my election as president. Our theme for this year is bold, bona fide, and boundless. This encapsulates the spirit of organization and sets the tone for the remarkable journey that lies ahead. Before assuming the role of president, I acknowledge the concerns of some past presidents regarding my workload with my business. I won't deny that balancing the responsibilities of managing a business and serving as the president of our esteemed organization is no small feat. It demands dedication, strategic thinking, and effective time management. Despite the complexities, I wholeheartedly embrace the challenge. I recognize that with great responsibility comes great opportunity. By skillfully balancing these roles, I can drive positive change in both realms. To all our members, rest assured that I will always represent you well. And to those like me, juggling multiple responsibilities and aspiring to leadership roles, if you can see that I can manage it, know that you can too. Let's face this challenge with unwavering determination and resilience. As we embark on this new chapter, let us embrace the spirit of boldness. Boldness is the cornerstone of progress. We pledge to take bold steps in advocating for meaningful change within our organization. We will initiate projects that push our boundaries, focusing not just on familiar programs, but on ventures that challenge and inspire us. But boldness alone is not enough. Bona fide leadership is our guiding light. Leadership rooted in integrity, authenticity, and empathy. Our decisions must be guided by a genuine desire to serve and uplift others. This year, we will improve our implementation of sustainable, impactful programs in communities that need us most. Yet, our journey does not end with boldness and bona fide leadership. It extends into the realm of boundlessness. The belief that there are no limits to what we can achieve when we unite our talents, passions, and energies. This year, we will further develop strong and effective leaders, striving to leave a lasting impact on our organization, empowering future leaders, and creating a legacy of excellence that inspires generations to come. 6 years ago, as a laid-back member, I never imagined I'd stand here today at my own induction ceremony alongside my dedicated board of directors entrusted with leading our membership. Thank you, caballeros, for this incredible opportunity to make meaningful impact. May you all join me in our calling to show that caballeros are bold, bona fide, and boundless. Thank you to Mayora Beverly, Kong Marvy, Vice Gov Mark, for your continued support and leadership. Your contributions are invaluable to our community. We appreciate all that you do. Thank you for your support to the caballeros. To my incredible parents, I am deeply grateful for your support and for instilling in me a strong will and determination. To my siblings, Kuya Brian and Baby Boons, your understanding, support, and dependability have been my anchor. Thank you for being in this JCI journey with me. A heartfelt thank you to Ralph for your patience, help, and unwavering support, serving as my pillar of strength. To my fellow Sambisi presidents, thank you for making my 1 year to lead more fun and manageable. To Press Dance, Press Jello of Imus Halige, Press Mon, Press Joshua, Press Mark, Press Ronel, Press Francis, thank you for the random checkup calls and for the enjoyable fellowship nights. Above all, thank you for the friendship that extends beyond our roles in JCI. To BP Reg, your exceptional representation of our batch has set a remarkable standard. Thank you for your dedication, batch. The esteemed members of JCI Batangas Senate and the JCI Batangas Caballero past presidents, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your invaluable guidance and understanding, especially during moments when my questions seemed never-ending. To the many PPs qualities that inspired me to be a president. Thank you. To the Caballero babies, to be inducted, welcome to JCI. Your fresh perspectives and enthusiasm will drive us forward as we learn, grow, and create lasting memories together. To the Caballero incoming officers, your commitment and leadership inspires us all. Let's continue to lead by example and unite to achieve our shared goals. Special mention to Direct Ray for boosting membership involvement. To the Publicity Director, Marian and Com Aaron, thank you for managing all our visuals and socials. The Skills Dev Team, LSDD Nilo and Com Joey, thank you for the upskilling opportunities. To the fundraising team, Director Tertia and Com Papan, thank you for innovative fundraising. To Direct Rap for spearheading all our community projects. To the business and government team, Direct Andrea and Com Alan, thank you for your government communications and facilitating our business-related activities. To Direct Sunny and Com Reese, thank you for helping out with programs even beyond your departments. To VPE Inigo, thank you for handling our relations and projects with other chapters and external parties. To VPI Man, thank you for showing up when needed. To Trust Me, thank you for keeping our finances in check. To our sector, Jewel and Sec Jude, your meticulous organization ensures our reports are always complete and submitted on time. It's a challenging task and your dedication doesn't go unnoticed. To EVP Darlene, your reliability is unmatched. You proactively handle tasks and ensure everything runs smoothly, making you an invaluable EVP. Thank you for your consistent effort and commitment. To IPP PAL, your guidance is invaluable. I continue to learn from your experience, and I'm grateful for your mentorship. Each of you feels your responsibilities admirably, and I'm grateful for your willingness to take on challenges and contribute wholeheartedly to our collective causes. To all the Caballero members, your active participation is the backbone of our success. Let's collaborate, discover, and make a positive impact on our community. Lastly, to anyone I may have unintentionally overlooked, know that your presence and contributions are deeply appreciated. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey with me. Let us all rally together, bound by a shared purpose and a shared vision. Let us be bold in our actions, bona fide in our intentions, and boundless in our aspirations. Together, there is no challenge too great, no goal too lofty, and no dream beyond our reach. Together, we are unstoppable. Together, we are bold, bona fide, and boundless. Good evening, everyone.
Once again, a big round of applause to our 2024 President of JCI, the Batangas Caballero,